Welcome to another edition of Ask Nappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of AppyPie. Today's question comes from Rohan from Singapore, and he asks, he wishes to create a catalog for his streaming services, and he wonders if he could use AppyPie to create the catalog for his website and on his app. Yes, Rohan, we have recently launched AppyPie Design Services, with which you can design your own catalog. So you mentioned that you are actually wanting to create this catalog for streaming services. So we have multiple templates readily available in different arenas. Your comes into the IT space, but if you were in a hotel industry, you could have leveraged the hotel templates that we have. So there are multiple templates that are readily there for you to customize and build on. You also have the option to create something from the ground up. Not only catalog, AppyPie is your complete design solutions that we have created, which is hosted on a cloud for you. So you can create different brochures, you can also create your business card, you can create your logo. You also have the option to create your app icon. If you are creating your app, you can create your app background, app splash screen. For your website, you can create multiple backgrounds. You can create the top banners. You can also leverage it for creating your Facebook banners or a LinkedIn banner. Or if you're doing advertising, you can create ads with design services that we offer. So it's a 360 design services that we offer, which I would highly recommend you to leverage for your ongoing business needs. In AppyPie, we have created a color wheel concept where we tell you each and every color significance. For example, a color which could be happy and uplifting in one country could become depressing in another. So you need to be very, very particular, because these days we all are actually working on global clients. So we need to be very, very particular what color needs to go. And with AppyPie's color wheel and color concept, we tell you each and every color's code. So you can take those codes and put it in your designs. And we also give you the ASCII values associated with that color. So it's a fairly detailed tutorial that we have created on the color wheel concept. And it's totally free for our users, because a lot of our users leverage those concepts of the color wheel and use it in AppyPie design, where they are creating multiple color schemas with brochures and flyers, banners. So you could also leverage the benefit of that color wheel for free. If you like this edition, then do share it on social channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.